Here I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to enter the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, you need to choose the save mode right here. So if you would like to reboot to save mode, let's tap OK and let's wait a few seconds. That's it. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key and choose restart. So slide to restart and let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.